Hi dears, who told you that learning Quran is a tough? There is a valid, a suitable age for learning Quran. No, no, no. Childs, adults, and aged men can also learn Quran with Tajweed step by step. There is no suitable age for learning Quran. This is the hadith of Prophet peace be upon him. So you can learn Quran with Tajweed step by step from me. Inshallah, I promise with you, if you will try to watch my videos, so inshallah too early you will be able to recite the Holy Quran. Inshallah. As you know, we have done the first chapter, Takhti number 1, Mufradat, the separate letters, different letters, and the pronunciation of these all letters. Today, I have specified 3 letters which are called soft letters, which pronounce softly like a wow, which pronounce softly. Tha, tha, dhal, and the. I have highlighted these letters, tha, dhal, and the. Tha, dhal, and the. These are 3 letters which are called soft letters. So, in the first chapter, there are different letters which are called lengthening letters, soft letters, hard letters, bouncing letters, حروف مستعلية, حروف قلقلة, حروف حلقي, حروف لين, سخت حروف, نرم حروف, and so on. So inshallah, I will try my best to make a video on these all are, and I will try to teach you the all about the first chapter inshallah. So join my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you.